So guys, what's up? In this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this horse head filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Open your mouth to trigger the filter. Okay, so let me remove this first. Okay, so to get this effect on Snapchat, what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snapcode for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and you will see this pop-up on Snapchat, unlock for 48 hours, tap there. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this horse head filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.